When you search for the best air cooler CPU in 2026, everything looks the same. Same heat pipes, same fans, same claims about quiet cooling. But the real difference isn't in the pictures, it's in the details you won't see until you actually use them.
Product number 1, Thermalright Assassin X 120 SE downgrade. First up, the Thermalright Assassin X 120 Refined SE. This thing costs just $17.89, and honestly, that's wild for what you get. Thermalright's been around for over 20 years, and this cooler packs 4 heat pipes with AGHP tech, meaning it works just as well whether your PC is vertical or horizontal. The 120mm fan spins up to 1550 RPM, moves 66 CFM of air, and stays under 26 decibels. That's quieter than a whisper. Here's why this matters for you. If you're building a budget PC or upgrading an older system, this cooler handles mid-tier CPUs like the Ryzen 5 or i5 without breaking a sweat. It fits most cases at 148mm tall and supports both AM4 and AM5 and Intel's latest LGA 1700 and 1851 sockets. Now, some people complained about the mounting hardware feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's secure once tightened, but you do need to be careful during install. Still, for under $20, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want solid cooling on a tight budget. Skip this one if you're running a high TDP CPU like a Ryzen 9 or i9. For the price, it's an absolute steal.
Product number 2, Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black. Now, if the Thermalright's basic design didn't impress you, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black brings a trusted name and refined engineering. Even though the price isn't listed, it usually sits around $25 to $30, making it a step up in both build and brand reputation. It uses 4 copper heat pipes and a direct contact base that efficiently pulls heat away from your CPU. Great for Ryzen 7 or i7 chips under load. The SickleFlow 120mm fan runs from 690 to 2500 RPM with PWM control, balancing airflow and noise smartly. At just 152mm tall, it fits in more compact cases than you'd expect. Here's why this matters. If you've used Hyper 212 before, you know how reliable it is. This version simplifies installation with redesigned brackets, especially for AM5 and LGA 1851. Some users mention the fan can get loud at full speed. Here's the thing though, unless you're pushing your CPU hard 24/7, it stays quiet during normal use. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense, reliable cooler from a known brand. Skip this one if you're chasing RGB or ultra-quiet operation at all costs. It's a workhorse, not a showpiece.
Product number 3, Calamax Dual Tower ARGB Fans. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want more cooling power and some flair. The Calamax Dual Tower Cooler costs $19.99 and comes with dual 120 ARGB fans spinning up to 2000 RPM. With 6 heat pipes and a pure copper base, it's built to handle up to 265 watt TDP. That's serious cooling for high-end CPUs. The dual tower design increases surface area, meaning better heat dissipation. And the ARGB lighting adds customizable color with 16 modes. Here's why this matters for you. If you're running a Ryzen 7 or i7 and want headroom for overclocking, this cooler keeps temps in check without needing liquid cooling. The noise level hits 27.8 decibels at max, which is still quiet for the performance. Some buyers said the ARGB software isn't the most intuitive. Here's the thing though, if you sync it with your motherboard's RGB control, it works smoothly. This is perfect for you if you want strong cooling and RGB aesthetics without spending big. Skip this one if you hate fan noise or don't care about lighting. For $20, it's a performance beast.
Product number 4, Cooler Master Hyper 212 Spectrum V3. Now, if the Calamax's dual fans were overkill, this next one takes a balanced approach with style. The Cooler Master Hyper 212 Spectrum V3 is priced at $17.90 and adds ARGB lighting to the classic Hyper 212 formula. It keeps the 4 copper heat pipes and silver nickel-plated base,
great for efficient heat transfer on Ryzen 7 or i7 CPUs. The Spectrum 120 fan runs from 650 to 1750 RPM, offering quieter operation than the black version, and the frosted blades diffuse the ARGB light beautifully. Here's why this matters. If you want a cooler that looks good in a tempered glass case without sacrificing performance, this hits the sweet spot. The redesigned brackets make install easier on newer platforms. Some users reported the fan connector is a bit tight to plug in. Here's the thing though, it's a one-time hassle, and once it's in, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, quiet cooler with subtle RGB. Skip this one if you need extreme cooling or hate any kind of lighting. It's a great middle ground pick.
Product number 5, Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 Vision Max AT. Finally, if you're ready to spend more for something truly unique, the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 Vision Max at $60.69 is in a league of its own. It's not just a cooler, it's a statement. The 5-inch IPS screen on top shows real-time CPU temps, usage, or even custom videos via TRCC software. Underneath, it's a dual-tower beast with 6 heat pipes, dual 120mm fans spinning up to 2150 RPM, and support for up to 265 watts TDP. Here's why this matters. If you're building a high-end gaming or streaming rig and want both performance and personality, this cooler delivers. The screen uses the motherboard's USB header for data, so setup takes a few extra steps. Some users said the software can be glitchy at first. Here's the thing though, once configured, it's incredibly satisfying to watch your system stats live on the cooler. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier cooling and a custom look. Skip this one if you're on a budget or don't care about flashy displays. It's expensive, but it's also unforgettable.
So, which one should you pick? The Thermalright AX120 SE if you're on a budget, the Hyper 212 Black for reliability, the Calamax if you want RGB and power, the Spectrum V3 for a balanced look, and the Peerless Assassin 120 Vision Max if you want the ultimate showpiece. Each has its place. Just match it to your build and needs.